Many, many years ago, when my seven-figure mentor taught me how to do this, I asked him, how long do you think this will last? Will we be able to do this, for a year or two? And he just kind of laughed and said, it's never going to end. The smart money continues to trade in a way that fools the retail trader, which is what you and I are considered, the traders from home, because the retail trader, the trader sitting at home, spends way too much of their energy worrying about the trade. In other words, they let their emotions come into the mix. And instead of just looking at their charts, many, many times they're looking at their charts. They see a pattern that is, I'll call it qualified, and then they freeze. They don't do anything. We've all heard paralysis from analysis, or analysis paralysis, however you want to say it. It's confirmation bias. That's what it is. You see it, you know that it's meeting all the criteria, yet you don't do anything. And yet, why? Because you don't really believe it. Now, if you don't believe that the setup that you're looking at, the qualified setup that you're looking at, is a legitimate qualified trade setup, then you won't take it. Now, you feel that way because you don't believe in your system. You don't believe in your ability to follow the rules. You don't believe in your ability to not change your mind once you get into the trade, which is the kiss of death. We teach you a very, very specific set of rules to follow with each step in the process: how to spot, qualify, enter, manage, and exit the trade. Okay. Now, if you already have an etched in stone list of rules that you follow for each of those steps, then you should be making money. So if you're not, what is it? Is it that what you have these rules for doesn't work? Probably. Is it something that, is it within you that prevents you from being consistent, taking every trade? I used to say this, I haven't said it in a while. I used to say this all the time: learn how to trade like a robot. Look at the chart, qualify it, enter it, do it, click the mouse, get in. And a lot of times people, I'm going to do that. And they take their first trade and then they make money. And they go, well, I'm going to protect my profit. I'm going to sit here and stare at that P&L and feel good about what I did. And maybe I'll watch the next trade and not participate. You're not a trader. You're a part-time trader, and I wouldn't even call you a trader. I would call somebody I would call someone like that just is kind of doing this to make themselves feel good, a couple of times a week, 2, 3, 4 times a week, whatever it is. Trading as a business, it's the world's greatest business. This is a business where if you want to buy something, you can literally increase your investment tomorrow and give yourself a raise. What other business can you do that? I can't think of one.